guys, welcome back to another episode of Mascara Monday. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Snap Mascara mascara. I randomly saw this at Walmart and it intrigued me. This says easy on, easy off mascara. On in a snap, off in a snap. Smooth, clump-free, volume. Easy removal. Smooth, clump-free, volume. I already said that. So yeah, I don't know. On in a snap, off in a snap. Let's see what the back says. Whew, this is a small print. And easy on, easy off mascara, our first pigmented mascara with 0 waxes. Richly pigmented formula for a smooth, clump-free volume and pure color intensity. Lasts all day. Easy glide brush for effortless application. It removes easily. So let's try this. Wow, I think the reason this is called an easy off mascara is because it doesn't put anything on your lashes to take off. I literally sat here for like 5 minutes trying to layer this on my lashes and it's not going on my lashes, like barely. What? The packaging is really cute. I love the packaging. I love that you can see like the product in there and then those little eyes. Not going on. It's not. And there's product on here, but it's not going on my lashes. What? Well, this is a big fail. I'm really disappointed because I had high hopes for this. All right, well, that's it for this episode of Mascara Monday. As always, if there's a mascara that you want to see featured in Mascara Monday, just comment down below and let me know. I'm really sad this didn't work. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.